Good afternoon. My name is Amber Williams, and today I will be presenting a presentation on mapping lessons. The chameleon races the rabbit. So first, let's go through our learning outcomes. Learners will be able to use a simple classroom map to locate where chameleon and rabbit move in the story. Lesson plan, Social Sciences Learning Cycle, Nadia and Mia 2025. Number 1, engage. Teacher reads chameleon races rabbit to spark curiosity. Number 2, explore. Learners talk about where the race took place and how the chameleon moved. Number 3, explain. Teacher introduces a simple classroom or outdoor map showing race paths. Number 4, elaborate. Learners draw the race path on a simple map showing start and finish points. Evaluate. Learners point out locations to explain the race path on their maps. And the link to the story encourages learners to think spatially where characters go, move, direction, and distance, supporting early mapping skills. On our next slide, resources for mapping skills activity. For our first resource, Story Map Mat. This is a hand-draw flow map of the race path. Learners will move toy figures, chameleon and rabbit, which are here in our first picture, the yellow chameleon and the pink rabbit. The value encourages spatial awareness and connects story events with physical mapping. So obviously it'll be easier for the kids to see and visualize the map more. My second resource too is the picture cards of the landmarks of like the trees, the rocks, the river, finish and starting line. And learners will place the cards on map to mark key locations. The value, it helps learners recognize symbols and develop the concept of representing a real place and simple images. Stages of mapping development. Pre-map stage. Learners use drawings without spatial accuracy. Early map stage. Learners begin to use symbols to attempt to show direction and position. Map stage, learners understand scale, direction, and more accurate spatial representation. In this lesson, the alignment, pardon, the mapping stage that the kids will be on will be the early map stage. Learners use drawings and symbols, landmarks like start and finish, as you see here, starting line, finish line, to show positions and movement on map. And lastly, fundamental themes of geography. Location. Learners identify where the race starts, where the rabbit and chameleon move, and the finish line. Movement. Learners trace how the rabbit and chameleon move differently across the map. So here, ideally, they would use the yellow chameleon and the rabbit that's black by my face on their map to visually see and hold and understand the movement of the chameleon and the rabbit as explained in our story after teacher presents the story. The explanation. These themes build grade R learners' understanding of where things happen and how movement occurs, both essential to foundation for geography. And yeah, it will just obviously grade R to learn better with hands and their sights and their seeing and doing and through play, and it will just be a fun activity for them to grasp and understand without it being work. Thank you so much for your time and for watching my presentation.